Hey friends, it's Sam from Paper Besos. Welcome back. Thank you for being here. Today I am going to be unboxing and revealing what I have received from a swap. This is a swap that was hosted by Rhoda. She's Nifty Crafty Me on Instagram. I'll be sure to post her YouTube as well as her Instagram down below so you can go check her out. Make sure that you do. You will love everything that she makes. She's fantastic. She's a great crafter. The swap that I submitted, you basically were submitting a memory dex card as part of the swap and like 25 flowers. It was basic, which was great for me because I've not done a swap in maybe more than 3 years. It's been a long time, and I appreciate Rhoda's patience with me because I know I asked a lot of questions. Excuse me. So, swap that I received is from Carrie. She is Crafty Carrie 64 on Instagram. I'll make sure that I post her social media below as well. But this is what I received from her. Super cute. And again, we were supposed to be submitting, or part of the swap. Sorry, I think I'm like getting sick or something. Sorry, hold on. Memory dex card was part of the swap, as well as 15 handmade 3D flowers. Trying to get it together here. Sorry. Look how cute. Isn't that sweet? I don't really have a lot of mem dexes, so, and there's her Instagram, Crafty Carrie 64. This is so cute, Carrie. I can't wait to like add this to my memory decks. I have one of those that spin. It's pink. I literally probably have like 6 or something like that in it. I don't have a lot. So this is going to be beautiful in my little collection to add in. Spring and flowers. Look at the dimension. Excuse me, look at the dimension. And then you can kind of see the little butterfly in there. And she added some sparkle in there. Isn't that cute? I love little details like that. All right, and these are her flowers. Look at that. It's nice too. It's like made really well. Super cute. Okay, focus. So flowers. I love these little centers. I need to get some of those. I'm not like the best at making flowers. I still have a lot to learn. Those are so beautiful. I love those colors too. Look at the bees. Ugh, cute. Look how gorgeous. I want to be able to make flowers like this when I grow up. I love the paper you use too. Thank you, Carrie. It's gorgeous. So cute. I put it back in here without like messing it all up. There we go. And that's from Carrie. I love it. And then Rhoda sent us, along with our swap, she sent us some goodies for being a part of the swap, which I appreciate anything she sends because, again, everything she makes is absolutely beautiful. You'll see. Cute little carrot pen. That's adorable. Even her wrapping. Like, come on. Look at the little carrot. Am I in frame? Look at the little carrot paper clip. It's just in the details, man. Details are super cute. Okay. Thanks for joining. Thank you, Rhoda. Cute little ribbon. I really do feel so out of it right now. Sorry. Let's open this up. Sorry for the crinkling. And there it is, handmade by Rhoda. Instagram, Nifty Crafty Me. YouTube is Hey It's Ro. But again, I'll link everything below. So sweet. So now I have 2 more member deck sets to put in my collection. That's so fun. Look at the cute little detail. And a little tiny dangle. And the flowers. You can see that rosette underneath. A little enamel dot. Look at the bunny ears. Ugh. So cute. Nice little pocket. I love it, Rhoda. So we got some flowers. Love these flowers. I love little things, so, and I have some of these in my collection. I do not have these colors though. Thank you, Rhoda. Stickers. Let's open them up. Again, sorry for the crinkling. Look how pretty. Keep them in frame, Sam. And then I had seen her post these on her Instagram and I was in love, and I'm so happy to have some. I know that this is a Scrap Diva Designs die, and then she made these little postage stamps. I love the faux stitching. I feel like that shows you that even if you don't sew or don't have a sewing machine, you can still give a nice little sewn look to projects. Look how tiny these flowers are. Super, super cute. And that's it for me. Thank you so much, Rhoda, for hosting the shop. Thank you so much, Carrie, for what you made me. I absolutely love it. I will be sure again to link everybody below. Make sure you check out all the other ladies from the swap. Make sure you go and look at their videos, and make sure you go look at all of their creations. I learned so much from them just from being in the swap. I already have like a list of things that I need to get in my in my Amazon cart, because I don't know, there's just so many things. I even went and bought paper that one of the girls used. I mean, I learned so much and it was so fun. So thank you again. Have a great day. Besos. Love you. Bye.